Hello there, we're just going to have a quick look at refillable cartridges for a Ricoh printer as used with dye sublimation and compare them to the one-time use cartridges and saving money by using refillable cartridges and inks. These are for the 21 series cartridges, the GC21 series cartridges, and they fit very old printers now. So some of these original cartridges and genuines, and indeed the Sublijet cartridges by Sawgrass, are becoming scarcer to get hold of. So this is a single use cartridge. Basically bang it in, when it's empty, off to the bin. We don't necessarily go with that. We actually believe that too much plastic in the landfill and all that good stuff, but I won't bang on about that here. So let's just move those to one side and look at an alternative. These are refillable cartridges. They're designed to be refilled many times. And let's have a look. We'll take a look at the black. We'll take a look at the yellow one. It really don't make a difference. What you've got is the same chip, or you have a chip, and very much as you would do on a genuine cartridge or a compatible cartridge, if indeed you can get them. So the makeup's the same. The difference is that you have these filling ports here. Well, you've got a filling port on the big port and you have an air port on the small port, and I'll go through those. But how they work, in simple terms, you take a bottle of ink, and I'm not going to fill the cartridge, I'm just showing you the principle. You take a bottle of ink, and by the way, when you come to use a new bottle, it's sealed, just there. You will also have in the cap a blank. It's double protection to make sure that if one fails, the other one will seal it. You must, when you're using this, remove this cap here, or else no ink flow will come out of here. So basically, as you would with a milk carton, you make a hole in that, remove that, pop your cap back on, and you're good to go. And all you would do is, you've taken out your bung, it's a large hole, larger hole of the two, you'd offer your ink up, and you just squirt it in gently until you're full to about, I don't know, 3/4 of the way full. And then all you would do is bob your bung back in, and what you don't do is bob the little bung in. That is for airflow. The only time we would use that is if we fill a cartridge and send it out to a customer, and we would seal it like that. When you're using it, you always remove those, and that allows air to flow through the cartridge. And for every drop of ink that comes out, a drop of air, the equivalent volume of air has to go in, or else you're creating a vacuum and it will not release the ink. Now, these future-proof older printers, in terms of, or in view of the fact you've still got your cartridges and all you need to do is buy bottled ink, it isn't a case of scarcity of cartridges any longer. Providing you can get the ink, you're good to go. They're also environmentally friendly, and my goodness, can you save money. If you look at a genuine cartridge, they can cost anything. A Sublijet cartridge, and I'm not going to use, there's many forms of Subli, so if I've used a brand inadvertently, I apologise, but it's basically a cartridge full of sublimation ink. They can cost you £70. Something like this, you pay once for the cartridges, approximately, I think they're £40 a set. Sublimation ink, again, I think is about £40 a set. The whole thing is £80. Whereas a set of genuine cartridges, you're looking at, or dye sublimation filled cartridges, you're looking at £200 a set, maybe 160, 200, 250. Not certain, we don't sell them, but we've certainly heard what customers have had to say about them. This saves you a lot of money, and it makes sense. Thank you.